welcome back to my channel. So today's plan with me, I wanted to feature a shop that is new to me. She's been around for a while, but I actually have met her last year at Go Wild. We didn't get to talk long, but she is a fellow admin of our little Hobonichi group. It's called Hobonichi Lovers on Facebook. So Ashley is becoming a good friend of mine because, as I mentioned, I also admin the group along with Erica from Erica G Designs, and also another planner girl, Cassidy, which also I met at Go Wild last year, and it's just been fun. The group is pretty much like kind of like a safe haven if you are into your Hobonichi, whatever size it may be, or even Fobonichis. Alright, so we are switching to voiceover. I'm so sorry. I was trying to edit this video and the audio just on this part was just terrible because I don't know. I think my luck with filming videos in the afternoon, I always get the lawnmower guys doing the neighbors. So outside of that, everything's good. Okay, so in this kit there are 3 different sheets. This is also a printable from her shop, and then this little overlay was the freebie foil for 2 months ago's mystery kit from our shop, and I figured the little stars fit the whole kind of galaxy theme going on here. And if you guys don't know me, you know that I have been obsessed with Sailor Moon and anything like, you know, intergalactic, galaxy, stars, and all of that. So our foil is actually our what is this called, the clear paper. I do it on matte because I know some people still want to write on their clear paper, so we decided to do it in matte, but it gives it a little frosty feel, which I kind of like anyways. So this is actually my first time purchasing anything from Ashley's shop. I think I've been following her main account and didn't put it together that she also had a shop. And then I also found out that I was following her shop account this whole time. And no, I didn't put it together that it's the same person. But printables are always instant gratification. So if you guys want to check out her shop, I'll have a little coupon for you linked down below. So if you guys know me and my stickers from my shop, I really just would like the basics. That's what I look for whenever I shop for stickers, is that if it has the date covers, at least bottom washi, and like these little like boxes I can put on the other page. I don't mind if it's an individual box or a strip. A strip helps me a lot because then I don't have to place them individually. But as you guys can see now, I am just kind of a little bit decorating it with these functional stickers, and the first one would be work. To me, usually that is if something on the go, I would write if I received an email from a customer, or if I have to fix something, that will go under that. And then on the next section, so I end up moving this the word shopping because I feel like that wasn't enough room for things I need to buy for the week. I always have a ton of, a long list of things to buy because not only I have to buy for home, I also have to buy stuff for the shop. So in the bottom right here, I feel like I've been a little bit indecisive and I just need a little space so that I can write anything for next week, and that's what I did using a little banner and then another skinny washi. My sticker paper that I used to make Ashley's kit is actually non-removable, like it's permanent. So I was like struggling just to make sure I don't tear anything with the Tomo River paper. I did add a few habit tracker stickers, but I don't think I need to track anything. But her weekend banner though is super duper cute. I'm obsessed with it, and with the new reformat she didn't change it, so I really like that.
Wait, guys, don't leave. Just chill. I'll show you some cool stuff.
So here I added another extra banner. It is for another to do. I know there's already a work up there, but this is just pretty much for my YouTube to do. So on the top part, I didn't notice that it wasn't even on the frame to begin with, but I'm adding the leftover overlays for the skinny washi. I just needed to use it up, and I didn't want to put another like color up there. I just wanted to keep it simple because there's already a lot of stuff going on. So the kit also comes with these full boxes that are just super adorable. Let's just say that again if I haven't said that enough already. Ashley actually designs her own kits, not only, you know, formatting it, but she actually draws these things. So Fridays are usually my payday every single week, and I just use like these little like skinny labels and then put the payday font on there. Not font, what is that called? Script. Because it's the same for every single week anyway, so I just decided to do that. As you guys can see, I have a ton of stickers left, and I ended up even using the rest of the leftovers in another spread. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to quickly show you what's left of the kit. This is one of the pages. It's enough for another setup. This is the second page, and then lots of like the functional stuff on this one. But this is totally another week's worth of stuff to do, so I'm gonna save that and do another plan with me with you guys. But I will have Ashley's links down below. Make sure you check her out and also follow her Instagram. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!